Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact device model and whether the vendor provides updates above Android 12. This affects method choice. Back up everything now. Use a full NAN Droid or verified cloud snapshot because flashing can wipe partitions. Install ADB and Fastboot on your PC and the correct OEM drivers. Enable developer options, USB debugging, and OEM unlocking on the phone. Once done, connect via USB and run a DB devices to confirm communication before moving to unlocking or custom ROM steps. Now you handle the complex middle. Obtain the correct ROM built for your model and any needed vendor blobs or firmware images, mismatched files, brick devices. Verify checksums to avoid corrupted flashes. Next, unlock the bootloader following the manufacturer's procedure. Understand this usually triggers a factory reset and voids some warranties. Once unlocked, boot to Fastboot and confirm partition layout. Place all images and zip files in your Platform Tools folder. Once labeled and checked, you're ready to flash in the correct sequence. Flash in the proper order. Vendor and radio first if included, then boot and system images, finally user data or factory reset depending on your method. Use Fastboot Flash or custom recovery commands as required. Once flashing completes, reboot to recovery, clear cache and Dalvik/Art cache, then boot the new system and install GApps if needed. Verify stability. Check Wi-Fi, calls, sensors, encryption. If a boot loop or instability appears, immediately return to recovery and restore your NAN Droid backup or reflash the failing image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.